Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tastefully Balanced. I'm Mariam and Eid Mubarak. I cannot believe the month of Ramadan is almost done. By the time you watch this video, it will be very close to being done, if not done already. And I wanted to share an Eid favor idea with you. It's a cookie that has dates in it and nuts in it, and I just feel like dates and nuts are a perfect Ramadan staple food. So that's why I wanted to share this recipe with you. I hope you guys had a great Ramadan. If you guys like favor videos as much as I do, please subscribe and keep watching. All right, welcome back. So I have all the ingredients that I need for these cookies. Super easy, only 4 ingredients, the main one being dates. So I have a cup of dates that are already pitted, and then I also have a cup of peanut butter, 1 egg, and then just a little bit of vanilla extract, and that is all. So you do need a food processor or a blender of some sort. I have mine in front of me right here. What I'm gonna do is add the dates in first. Usually I like to soak the dates beforehand, but for this recipe, because I don't want my cookies to be too wet, I am going to put it in dry. It's gonna make a lot of noise, so probably gonna have to cut at this point. All right, so this is how you want it to look like, little crumbles of dates. So this is good to go. I'm gonna go ahead and add in all the rest of the ingredients. So I've got 1 egg here, a little bit of vanilla extract, just like a teaspoon. I always eyeball my vanilla extract because there's no problem in adding more. And then some peanut butter. You can use crunchy peanut butter, you can use smooth peanut butter. What I'm using is a better and peanut butter, which is just a low calorie one. Keep it a little bit lighter. And then you're gonna pulse this. All right, that looks perfect. Nice and doughy. So now, let me just move this away. You're just gonna take like a tablespoon measurement like this so that all the cookies are the same size. And then I like to wet my gloves with just a little bit of water, just so that it doesn't stick to my hands. So just have a little bowl of water right next to you, roll it out, and then place it on a baking tray like this. And then because they're peanut butter cookies, I like to do a little crisscrossed, and then you just keep doing that. That is how easy. And then you want to just put it in a 350-degree oven for 10 minutes, and that's it. That is your cookie. Just like that. Take it on in your glove. Create a little ball like this. Place it on. And they're not going to expand or anything, so no need to put a ton of gap between each of the cookies. There you go. All right, it's been about 10 minutes, and then I also let the cookies cool down for an additional 5 to 6 minutes, and they are ready. So they're perfectly cooked. I've been kind of using this to scrape off the bottoms, just because, you know, we didn't use very many ingredients, so there's no butter or anything like that to prevent it from, you know, sticking to the bottom. But just look at this. This is still nice and soft. Yum. All right, time for taste test. The dates, the peanut butter. I used a salted peanut butter. So good. And you know, even though we didn't use any flour or anything like that, it still has an airiness to it, which is awesome, seeing that it's only 4 ingredients. So definitely try this one out. Oh, I did want to show you guys how I would, you know, kind of serve this as a favor. So I would take just a regular bag like this, take a few cookies, put it in the bag. And then, since it is for Eid, I made a little Eid Mubarak little sign here. And then I would just wrap it around and tie it up like that. So, little cute little favor that you can give away at your Eid gathering. So if you guys like favorite videos, please comment, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, live life tastefully balanced.